This converted crafter, it's a 2019, has come in for some added Alpine gear. So obviously being Alpine audio equipment, whilst during its kind of conversion transition stage, it's already had the crafter specific adventure audio front speakers. So that's obviously the tweeters that go up into the A-pillars with their little die cut grills, and then the speakers down the doors. They'll either be the 6.5s or the 8s. Don't know, we didn't fit them. But they've gone in. And then we've just fitted today the DSP-2. So that's the upgraded DSP that kicks out a bit more power and has a lot more settings for various different vehicles and things. And then the 8-inch box sub that goes under the driver's seat. Yeah, it's now got a kind of a complete package going on. Because of the DSP, it's taking that control away from the head unit in terms of full signal and things, because as we know, these factory head units don't kick out A, the most power in the world, and B, the best signal. So with it all being fed down into the DSP now, and it being tuned by Alpine to suit the vehicle in terms of the spec of everything, means that now the speakers are getting a much better signal fed to them and a bit more power. And then with that sub fitted as well, means you get that complete full frequency range, so you end up with actually quite a nice listening experience in the front of the van. And it sounds dead good. You've still got use of your standard three-way kind of equalizer with your bass, mid and treble. So obviously as you up the bass, then that boosts how much is kind of coming through the sub and things, and just overall the system. And then you've obviously still got your mid and your treble you can tweak, because as we know, everyone's hearing is very different, and everyone's, you know, the way they listen to music is subjective and how they want it to sound and stuff. So you've still got all that tweaking you can do, but you shouldn't have to go crazy with adding bass unless you really want lots of bass, obviously, which is then capable of. But it's a cracking little setup, and it's very similar to the setup you get in, well, you can get for transporters, Mercedes Sprinters, I believe it is, yeah, Sprinters, and obviously the crafters, and like the MAN and LDV vans and things like that, because they're all a similar platform vehicle. So it all goes in, all works a treat, and it's not too bad. I think it is available as like a plug and play. So if you wanted to and you wanted to bash it, fitting it yourself, you could get in there and maybe, you know, bash it out over a weekend or something, set yourself a bit of time, and you feel pretty accomplished by the end of it, because, you know, you turn it all on and it will sound cracking. So yeah, that's about it really. Crafter, Alpine, sub and DSP. And then obviously there's the speakers already in there. If you've got a van like this and you want to improve the sound, you can obviously go down this route and get stuff that's kind of made for it straight away, or obviously you can go a lot more custom and kind of pick and choose. And if that's the case, or either way, just get in contact with us, let us know what it is you're looking for, because obviously audio works in everything, and especially if you're going long journeys in a van, or you're going across the continent or something like that, you want that better sound because it's just more enjoyable, isn't it? So yeah, get in contact. Have a check out of all the other videos we've done and things, and yeah, we'll see you again in the next one. Take care.